Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of the Republic of India.
Thank you. There have been even more momentous development in another AI, America and India. To celebrate the bond between world's two great democracies, India and the United States. And there is one behind me who a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. I also wish to pay heartfelt tribute to one of them, Congressman John Lewis. We are home to all faiths in the world, and we celebrate all of them. The United States has become one of our most important defense partners. And respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity. We all must do what we can to stop the bloodshed and human suffering. Concerns of our partnership. We share a vision of a free, open, and inclusive Indo-Pacific. That the African Union be given full membership of G20. We shall demonstrate that democracies matter and democracies deliver. I said that our relationship is primed for a momentous future. That future is today. Distinguished members of this honor, God bless America, Jai Hind, long live India-US friendship. Thank you.